Okay. Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss exercise 7.2 of class 9. Question number 1. Question number 1. So in question number 1 it is given that ABC is an isosceles triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB equal to AC. The bisector of angle B, this is the bisector of angle B and angle C meet at O. This bisector, so this angle definitely will be equal to this angle definitely will be equal to this angle, as this and these are the bisector of angle B and C. They meet at O. Now OA is drawn, so we need to prove OB equal to OC and OA bisect angle A. We have to prove these two. So see what is given solution. Here ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB equal to AC. The bisector of angle B and angle C meet at O. OA is drawn. We have to prove that number 1, OB equal to OC. Number 2, OA bisects angle A. A means BAC. OA bisects angle A, that means OA bisects angle BAC. So it is given here that ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB equal to AC. The bisector of angle B and angle C meet at O. OA is drawn. We have to prove that OB equal to OC. हमें proof करना है OB equal to OC and OA bisect angle A. So now see the proof. How to do the proof? Let us see the proof. So see here, proof. So we have to prove OB equal to OC. So now you see here, OB is the bisector. Since OB is the bisector of angle ABC, therefore angle OBC equal to angle OBA, and that will be half of angle ABC. One number. See here, OB is the bisector of this angle ABC. So bisect means equally two part. So this part and this part equal. That is OBC equal to angle OBA, and what we'll get? This will be both will be half of angle ABC. Again you see, again OC is the bisector of angle ACB, therefore OC is the bisector of angle ACB, therefore angle OCB, therefore angle OCB equal to angle OCA equal to half angle ACB, equal to half angle ACB. So here we have seen OB is the bisector of angle ABC, therefore angle OBC equal to angle OBA equal to half angle ABC. Both of these two will be half of this total angle. Similarly, OC is the bisector of angle ACB. Therefore, this angle, that is angle OCB, equal to angle OCA, and that will be equal to half angle ACB. Now you see, now it is given, since AB equal to AC given, therefore angle ABC equal to angle ACB. We are given this and this equal, so we know that angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. So this AB, its opposite angle is ACB, and this AC, its opposite angle is ABC. So therefore angle ABC equal to angle ACB, since angles opposite to equal sides. This implies that half angle ABC equal to half angle ACB. अगर ये दोनों इक्वल है तो उसका हाफ भी इक्वल हो जाएगा. This implies that half angle ABC means angle OBC equal to angle OBA, and half angle ACB means angle OCB equal to angle OCA from 1 and 2. This is from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. This is from 1 and 2. We can write this and let this be 3 number. Let it be 3 number. Now, thus we have seen that angle this equal to angle this. Thus, in triangle BOC, we get angle OBC equal to angle OCB. Angle OBC equal to angle OCB from 3. In 3 number we have got it. So again we know that if two angles are equal, then their opposite sides are also equal. We know that if two angles of a triangle are equal, then their opposite sides are also equal. That means if this angle equal to this angle, then its opposite sides and its opposite sides are equal. So here also this angle equal to this angle, so its opposite side is this and its opposite side is this. So definitely OC will be equal to OB. So you can write this one as hence OC will be equal to OB, since sides opposite to equal angles. Since sides opposite to equal angles, therefore OC equal to OB, because this angle and this angle are equal, so its opposite side is OC and its opposite side is OB. So OC equal to OB, and now let it be 4 number. So one part is over. Next we have to prove this OA bisect angle BAC. That means we have to prove that ये OA line ये angle को bisect करते हैं. That means we have to prove that this angle and this angle equal. हमें ये proof करना है ये दोनों angle equal. So before this, let us try to prove this to triangle congruent from triangle AOB and triangle AOC. Now let us try to prove triangle AOB and triangle AOC congruent. See now, from triangle AOB and triangle AOC we get, from triangle Again, from triangle AOB and triangle AOC, we get OA equal to OA common set, AB equal to AC given, and OB equal to OC. Just now we have proved from 4. Therefore, triangle AOB congruent to triangle AOC by SS rule, by side congruence rule, these two triangles are congruent. Since these two triangles are congruent, therefore its all the corresponding parts are equal. Hence we can say that you see A, both are corresponding. A means this one, and in this triangle A means this one. Hence we can say that angle OAB equal to angle OAC by CPCT. And since these two angles are equal, therefore you can say that OA bisects angle BAC. Therefore OA bisects angle BAC. Okay, now you see question number 3. Question number 3. Here it is given that, here see the solution. Here it is given that ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB equal to AC. B and CF are the altitudes drawn on the sides AC and AB respectively. B and CF are the altitude drawn on the side AC and AB respectively. We have to prove that B equal to CF. So see here, ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB equal to AC. B and CF are the altitudes. Altitude means this perpendicular and this perpendicular on AC and AB respectively. We have to prove that. हमें proof करना है B equal to CF. हमें proof करना है B equal to CF. Now you see how to do this proof. So for this, we will try to prove these two triangle congruent, triangle ABE. That means this is the triangle ABE. Let us separate these two triangle. Triangle ABE and triangle ACF. And triangle ACF. Let us separate these two triangle ABE, triangle ABE and triangle ACF. So from these two triangle you see this angle 90 degree, so this also 90 degree. Again we are given this and this equal given, and again you see angle BAE and angle CAF, that is angle CAF. This is the common angle. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent by angle, angle side, angle, angle side. So, if we separate the triangle, it will be easier for us. So, these two triangles are congruent. Hence, since these two triangles are congruent, therefore B will be equal to CF by CPCT. Now, let us write this one. So, proof. See, proof. See the proof. Proof. In triangle ABE and triangle ACF, we get AB equal to AC. Given AB equal to AC given. Angle AEB equal to angle AFC. Each angle 90 degree. Then angle BAE equal to angle CAF common angle, and therefore triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACF by AAS rule. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent by AAS rule, and hence you see BE and CF. These are the corresponding part. Hence, BE equal to CF by CPCT. By CPCT, these two are congruent. Okay, next question 4 number is here. ABC is a triangle in which B and CF are the altitude on AC and AB respectively, such that B equal to CF. Then we have to prove that triangle ABE and triangle ACF congruent, and then AB equal to AC, that is triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. We have to prove this. So let us see in diagram given solution. Here given ABC be a triangle. BE and CF are the altitudes on AC and AB respectively, such that B equal to CF. We have to prove that number 1, triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACF. Number 2, AB equal to AC, or triangle ABC is an that is triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. So this is given to us, that is here ABC is a triangle, B and CF are the altitude on AC and AB respectively, such that B equal to CF. We have to prove that triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACF and AB equal to AC, that is ABC is an isosceles triangle. We have to prove this. Now here also we'll separate these two triangle. Triangle ABE will separate these two triangle. Triangle ABE. Let us see. Let us separate these two triangle. Triangle ABE. Triangle ABE. Let us separate these two triangle. Triangle ABE. ABE. Triangle ABE. Triangle ABE. Let us separate these two triangle. Triangle ABE and triangle ACF and triangle ACF and triangle ACF. ACF. Triangle ABE and triangle ACF. ACF. Let us separate these two triangles. Triangle ACF. Triangle ACF. ACF. Let us separate these two triangle. So in these two triangle, you see, we are given B equal to CF. It is given, and this angle equal to this angle, each angle 90 degree. This angle equal to this angle. That is triangle ABE and triangle ACF. Here B equal to CF given, this angle 90 degree, and angle BAE, angle BAE, this angle equal to angle CAF. These two angles are also equal. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent by angle side congruence criteria. So let us see the proof, how to prove it. So proof, you see the proof. In triangle ABE and triangle ACF, we get BE equal to CF. B equal to CF given. B equal to CF. And angle AEB equal to angle ACF. AEB equal to AFC. Angle AEB equal to angle AFC. AEB equal to angle AFC. Each angle 90 degree. Then angle BAE equal to angle CAF. Common angles. Therefore, triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACF by AAS rule. Hence, you see AB and AC, these are corresponding part. Hence, AB equal to AC by CPCT. Therefore, ABC is an isosceles triangle. Therefore, ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay, thank you.